Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna do Jamaican cocoa bread. Today I'm using a little sugar, a little lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, half stick of butter, half cup of lukewarm milk, and 3.5 cup of flour. So first thing I do, guys, I'm gonna put the lukewarm water in the sugar. I'm gonna stir up that little, guys, and I'm gonna add the yeast to it. So I'm gonna sit the yeast aside for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna stir it up, guys, and sit it aside for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put this aside, guys. Next thing now, guys, I want to show you the type of yeast I'm using. I'm using this yeast, guys. This yeast is 1 tablespoon. That's it to 3.5 cups of flour. Next thing, guys, I'm gonna put the salt in the flour, and I'm gonna crumble the butter in the flour. Remember, guys, I saved the flour, guys, so it make it light and fluffy. So I'm gonna put the butter inside. Unsalted butter, guys, you can use salted butter if you want, but I'm using unsalted butter today, guys. I'm gonna crumble it, guys, in the butter. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. So I'm crumbling it in the butter now, guys, and the heat is rising, so I'm just gonna crumble this and leave it until the heat is activated. See, just crumble it like this, guys. Just crumble it. You can use unsalted butter, salty butter. You can use chiffon. You can use vegetable butter for the vegetarian. So you just crumble it in the flour, guys. You leave it like this until the heat is activated. You have to give the yeast like 10 minutes, 8 minutes to activate. I will get back to you guys when the yeast is activated, and you will see how I finish it. Alright, guys, the yeast is finished activated. When the yeast is activated, guys, you can actually scoop up the yeast. It's like bubbly substance, so you can scoop it up. Next, guys, I'm gonna add the milk to the yeast mixture, and then I'm gonna start mixing my dough. Guys, as I said, you don't have to use chiffon butter or margarine. You can use vegetable butter. Also, for the vegetarian, they can use almond milk, guys. Can use almond milk. So you don't necessarily have to use chiffon butter and low fat milk. Can use almond milk, guys. You want the texture to be soft and mildy, not dry and tough. So yes, guys, after I finish mix the dough, this is the texture that I get. So guys, I'm gonna put this to sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes in this container, and then when I come back, I'm gonna show you how I roll and fold my dough. Alright, guys, I'm back after 1 hour. I forgot to tell you in the previous time that you must preheat the oven at 300 Fahrenheit, so the oven can heat enough, so when you put your pastry in this, the heat circulate so the dough will bake properly. So after 1 hour, this is how the dough is actually look. I'm gonna press out the ear, and I'm gonna dust my cutting board. Not a lot of flour, just a little, and turn over the dough inside of it. So I'm gonna knead it little. Not too much, because you want to over knead it, guys. Just a little. Alright. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this dough into 2 equal parts. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna cut this into 2 equal parts, and then this into 2. So in all, I'm supposed to get 8 cocoa breads. So what I can do is feel the weight of it and see, just in case I don't have a measuring scale. So I'm gonna dust back the board, and I'm gonna make it into a small ball to get the shape of it, to roll it. And now I'm gonna use, I have a little rolling pin thingy here, but if you have your rolling pin at home, you can use it. Not too thin, not too thick, and you don't want it too big, because guys, when it bake, it's gonna swell because of the heat. So you don't want it too big or too thick or too thin also. So you take your time and roll it. Alright, so I'm gonna get some butter, and I'm gonna rub this side. I don't want it close to the edge, because you don't want, when it bake, all of the butter spill out and all over in the baking tin. So I'm gonna fold it, and I'm gonna close the side, because when it bake, you don't want it to open up. Then I'm gonna put some more butter on this side, guys, and close it. As I tell you, I'm gonna lock it. So I'm gonna lock it like this. Use my finger and press down on it. Yeah, and lock it. That's it, guys. So you're gonna repeat that step, guys, and then when you finish, I'll come back to you guys. Yes, guys, so this is the finished product, and we're gonna bake 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna pop them in the oven, and when they are finished, you will see the finished product. Yes, guys, this is a finished product, guys. Smells so good, tastes so nice, guys. I wish you could taste it, guys. Oh my god, I'm telling you, this is the bomb, guys. Just like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Turn on that post notification bell. Until next time, bye.